Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add Ajax search button in your WordPress WooCommerce website. So you can do and perform real-time search. So let's go and install a new plugin. So this is the plugin that you can easily get, and after that you can go in website dashboard. You can also go from here, click on plugins and upload plugin file. So now let's go and click on add plugin, and after that upload this plugin file. So now let me select the file from my laptop, click on install button, and it will take few seconds for the installation, and after that you can easily activate this plugin. So now plugin is installed, and now activate this plugin. Scroll down and here you can see YITH. After that you can go on Ajax Search, scroll down. So here you can customize and change different options. So after that let's go back, appearance, then widgets, and find YITH Ajax Search. So this one. Now you need to select widgets as well as you can select the sidebar. So I want to add in WooCommerce sidebar. And now let's add our title, search any product, and then let me drag it on the top, then click on save button. So now let's go back and reload this page. Now here you can see search bar is added. So now let's go and try to search anything. DNK green, and here you can see it's working fine.